Greetings and salutations and happy Monday. For the next password tip, we have something that's relatively simple, but I do admit it would be hard for the common person and even myself to remember. Change your passwords regularly. Now, what do I mean by regularly? I mean, how often you should, because I know not everybody's gonna do this or does this, how often you should change your toothbrush. That's every 3 to 4 months, just in case you didn't know. But now you know. Why should you change your password every 3 to 4 months? There's something called breaches. Now let's define the term breach. Breach is defined as an incident where data gets unintentionally exposed to the public. And in this case, a password breach would mean that your password would get exposed to the public. 2 primary examples of this. The first one, Nintendo, happened last year, 2020 spring. Through reused passwords or weak passwords, hackers were able to gain access to over 300 million players' accounts. And with these accounts, what did they do? They then stored the user's payment information and later went on to buy valuable digital products. The second example is Zoom. Again, happened last year, 2020. 500,000 stolen users' credentials became available for sale to criminals on the dark web. Those criminals later on used those logon credentials to attend meetings and steal personal information such as contact details. And how could this all have been prevented? Strong passwords, password managers, changing your password regularly, and 2-factor authentication. We'll talk about that next.